video, I'm going to share with you 5 free animation tools that will help you to grow in many fields. These free animation tools will help you to grow in the field of digital marketing. Digital marketers are in demand as every brand seeks for them to advertise their products, and their earning potential is also higher than in other fields. Also, if you are a freelancer, then you can complete projects for your clients more effectively by adding these animated infographics and videos. Animated visuals are a lot more engaging than plain static images. In fact, they generate the highest number of shares on social media compared to other forms of visual content. That's why these free animation tools will help you a lot. The first animation software is Visme. It is a cloud-based online design tool that will help you to create animated social media images. It is a friendly and intuitive drag-and-drop editor. It will allow you to access thousands of animated templates in various categories. It offers customizable pre-animated assets, characters, illustrations, and gestures. Also, you will get access to 14 plus different types of animated charts, graphs, and maps. Visme provides free tutorials and guides for newbies to help them create advanced videos. It is free software and paid as well. Paid plans start from $15 per month, but being a beginner, start with the free plan. The second animation software is Pencil 2D. Pencil 2D is an open source animation software that lets you create 2D animated characters using vector drawing tools and traditional animation workflows. To make it easy to use for beginners, Pencil 2D provides tutorials regarding how to use it professionally. Its user interface is quite simple and easy to use for beginners. It has a customizable toolbar to fit your own creative process. It also has versatile drawing tools to help you create vector drawings. So overall, it's a good 2D animated drawing software. You can start with it as well. The third animation software is Cinefig Studio. It is a more robust tool than other open source and free animation software. It gives you advanced controls that help you create high quality animation quickly. It is designed in a Chinese animation system to speed up the animation process. Also, it's a great alternative to Adobe Animate. If you want to experiment with newer features, Cinefig Studio is best for you. It has 50 plus layers and filters to create more complex animation. It has an additional skeleton distortion layer to apply complex deformations to bitmap artwork. It provides advanced controls like link parameters for various layers. It also provides a complete documented guide for beginners. It is used and trusted by big brands who must check it to create an advanced animated video. The fourth animation tool is Krita. Krita is a great painting program that allows you to create your own art. Krita has many different effects that can be applied to your images like stamping, layer, and filtering. It gives features to change color, contrast, sharpen, deskew, curve, mask, background, and transparency with just the touch of one button. Krita has a powerful drawing and painting toolbox. It includes both conventional and vector brushes and a variety of blending tools. It has a powerful layer masking system that allows you to paint with many different colors and even effects like clipping path. It also provides a beginner guide regarding how to use it. Krita is a great choice for all beginners in the drawing, animation, and illustration industries. The fifth animation tool is OpenToons. OpenToons is a 2D animated cartoon software application. It can be used to create animated films or videos. OpenToons is a potent cartoon drawing tool. It has customizable shapes, backgrounds, highlights, gradients, and a lot more. This amazing software will allow you to create your own personal animation movie or presentation. OpenToons offers much more customizable brushes and snap-free animation tools, but it is difficult to learn, so it's the best choice for experienced users. All these softwares work on Windows and offer a free plan, so you don't need any high graphic computer. Just start with your PC today. I hope this video has helped you. See you in the next one.